Today, we are diving into the world of teriyaki. I'll show you how to whip up a delicious teriyaki sauce and use it to create 3 mouth-watering dishes. Teriyaki chicken fried rice, stir-fried salmon teriyaki bites, and a miso-teriyaki pork over rice. These recipes are not just quick and easy, but they are also guaranteed to impress even the pickiest eaters in your family. Let's start cooking. Let's start off with the teriyaki sauce. In a pan, mix together like soy sauce, mirin, cooking sake, sugar. Bring all this to a light boil. Stir to melt the sugar. This is a basic teriyaki sauce. You can customize this by changing the ratio or adding aromatics like garlic and ginger. Boil this for about 10 minutes till the sauce has thickened. Instead of remembering the recipe, remember this ratio: 2, 2, 2, 1. That's 2 parts like soy sauce, 2 parts mirin, 2 parts sake, and 1 part sugar. You can store this in the fridge for up to 2 months. For our first dish, let's cook the stir-fry salmon teriyaki bites. For this, we will need salmon that's cut up into about 1-inch cubes, cornflour, onion that's been sliced, mushrooms, garlic sliced, edamame, teriyaki sauce of course, white sesame seeds for garnishing. Start by cutting up the salmon into about 1-inch cubes. Then marinate the salmon with some teriyaki sauce and cornflour. Give all this a good mix. Make sure every piece of salmon has been coated with this teriyaki sauce and cornflour. Then set it aside. To cook, put your pan over a medium heat. Add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, fry your salmon. Arrange your salmon in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Leave it there and let it fry till the bottom is golden brown. Something like this. Then flip them over and fry the other side as well. When it's brown, remove. There's no need to fry all the sides of the salmon, just 2 sides will do. You should have enough oil in the pan at this point. If you don't, add in more oil. Then put in the onions and a pinch of salt. The salt will help draw out the moisture and help soften the onions even faster. When the onions are softened, add in your mushrooms, garlic, and a splash of water. Fry it till the mushrooms are softened and the pan is relatively dry. Add in the teriyaki sauce and the salmon back into the pan. Give all this a good mix. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Add in more salt or teriyaki sauce if needed. Serve the salmon over rice together with the mushrooms and onions and the edamame. Next, let's cook the chicken teriyaki fried rice. For this, we'll need chicken thighs or chicken breast cut into small cubes, garlic sliced, some bok choy, carrots sliced, rice, black pepper, and of course the teriyaki sauce. Before cooking, marinate the chicken with some teriyaki sauce. Give it a good mix, then set it aside. To cook, put the pan over a medium-high heat. Add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, add in your chicken. Arrange the chicken in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Let this fry for a while till the bottom of the chicken is golden brown. Something like this. Put in the bok choy, carrots, and garlic. Add in a splash of water and cook this till the chicken is done and the vegetables are soft. This will take about 3 minutes or so. Next, put in the rice. Use rice that is dry and not too soft, like leftover rice from the fridge. Add in the teriyaki sauce and the pepper. Break up the rice. And mix it really well. Make sure you fry the rice till it's piping hot. When the rice is hot, taste and adjust for seasoning. Add in more teriyaki sauce if needed. For our third and final dish, we'll make Miso-Teriyaki Pork. For this dish, we will need pork tenderloin, miso, vinegar, ginger, 2 bok choy cut in half and washed, red onions thinly sliced. Let's start with the pickled onions. Thinly slice your onions and separate them into their individual slices. In a jar, combine sugar, salt, and hot water. Give all this a stir to dissolve the sugar and salt. Then add in the vinegar. Next, stuff all your sliced onions into the jar. Add in more water or vinegar if necessary to cover all the onions. Cover and set it aside. You may keep this in the fridge overnight and it can last for about 3 weeks in the fridge. Let's make the marinade for the pork. In a bowl, combine miso, vinegar, grated ginger, the teriyaki sauce. Remove about 4 tablespoons of the marinade. We'll use the rest of the marinade to marinate the pork for about 20 minutes. Or even better yet, overnight in the fridge. This 4 tablespoons of reserve marinade can be quite salty because of the soy sauce in the teriyaki and the miso. Thin it out with 2 tablespoons of water. You can cook the pork by either pan frying it or baking it in the oven. Today, I'll pan fry mine. Remove the pork from the marinade. Dry it. Then, coat it with a little bit of oil on both sides. Oil your bok choy as well. Put your pan over a medium heat. When it's hot, fry the pork. Leave it there for a while till the bottom turns golden brown. Then flip it over and fry the other side. If your pork is very thick, fry the sides as well. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes. The pork is done when the internal temperature reaches 63 degrees Celsius or 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Or you can do this the old-fashioned way and cut into the pork to see if the pork has been cooked through. Now, because there's a lot of sugar in the teriyaki sauce, your pork may burn quite easily. If this happens to you and you find that the outside of your pork is getting too dark or the internal has not been cooked yet, here is a tip I learned from the kitchen I used to work in. Just put your pork in the microwave and microwave it on high for 1 minute. Then check for doneness. If it's not done, microwave it for another 30 seconds. And another 30 seconds. And so on until the pork is cooked through. Next, pan fry the bok choy. When the bok choy is slightly charred on one side, give it a toss. To serve, cut up your pork into slices. Then put it over rice. And serve it with the bok choy and the pickled onions. I hope you enjoy these teriyaki inspired dishes as much as I did. If you try them out, let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And if you're hungry for more, check out these other videos here where we explore another quick and delicious recipe perfect for busy families. I'll see you in my next video.